Alright guys, so after further inspection I discovered that there was a problem right here with the thing, and as you can see here, this one on this side has a gap. On the others, on the other hand, everything is perfectly fine, and the screws are also going in as they should. So this one had a little bit of a problem, so I unscrewed it and found out that the screw inside was actually broken, and it's just laying right here now. And now that it is broken, it does not go back in there, but I think what they've done is they've glued it into place or whatever, I don't know. Anyway, hopefully the rest of the thing will still work, even though that piece is broken. I'll just glue back the screw, but yeah. Hope everything else is fine with this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the update, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.